Our product comes with a 5-year warranty service. The metal button switch adopts a 304 stainless steel shell, with a harder and more wear-resistant surface. The indicator light adopts high brightness light beads. Brass silver plated pins. Silver alloy contacts. Install with a diameter of 8 mm to 30 mm. The button switch function is divided into self-locking and self-resetting. The button tail can be equipped with a plug-in cable. The waterproof level is divided into IP65 and IP67. The product has passed CCC certification, German TÜV certification, EU CER certification, ISO 9001 quality system certification,